add before we continue math? So I see someone's sweater here. Let's put that, have that person put it away. Armando, can you find the stuff on the floor? Nice to meet you. How are you? That's going to be for you. So probably. Hello. Just don't touch the computer. So just like we did practice earlier this week, I need everybody, if you're not talking about what we're sidebar talking in the end of the. Yes, you may go get some water. It is hot. I did a city of no, why put that there? Thank you. Okay, is everybody ready? Everybody got their jumps and their yes. Good, Jake. Do a dance. And we did this one. Something very exciting to share with you. I don't know. What do you think? You think yeah. Armando. What are you ordering? Because I wanted to measure. Right. Second grade. No more chanting, please. Why did you just go to lesson? I had a lesson. What does it change? Okay, Miss Sanchez? Yes. We're doing the board up here. We go to program. Chapter 11. Lesson 2. Yeah, and then here. I want to go down to keep this in case we do. Okay. Who can tell me what we did on this page in our math books? Lionel. We have to make sure we use. Yeah, but make sure it's not too long. It's real life. Yeah, real life. In real life, we want to make sure that we're measuring with the right. Make sure it's this one right here? No. This one? Yeah. It's like no. These? Yeah. So we could measure the legs of the stadium, but we couldn't measure the stadium itself because it was too big. Yeah. Very good. You can measure the block? Yeah. That's right. Very good. When we were done discovering that page, did it look something like that? Yeah. Yes, that's what we discovered. And you can never measure the sun. You can never measure the sun. That is right. Yes. So what else did we do on Wednesday? We did a craft with math on Wednesday. Sean. On Wednesday we were on art. We were made feet. So we made rulers. We made feet rulers. How many feet rulers did we make? Rulers? Mm-hmm. The number of rulers we made? How many did each person make? 2. 2. Yeah, close. We made one ruler that was like a foot ruler, and we made a foot ruler. That's right. All right. I want everybody to pull out those feet. Yes, Steven? What do you know how to say? I don't know. In your green folders. I can't remember. You weren't here either. Well, let's have you guys catch up. Very good. About 6 inches. I will measure you. No. Okay. David? It's a box. No. Somebody missing this one. I'll put it on the board. Somebody is missing one of their feet. You want to help them? Somebody's going to help them. All right. Show me your foot feet. That's okay. Show me your foot feet. Pull it up in the air. David and Jesse, this is what you're going to be making. Amy? That's my foot. Here's a marker. And show me your measurement foot ruler. You can't find your measurement ruler? You can't find your foot at all? Okay, go over with David and with Jesse to go make a new foot. Can anybody else find their rulers? You can't find your regular ruler? Yeah, I knew I just remember that one was. Okay. So when we're reading, when we're measuring, what should we measure with? Ruler. If I want to measure something that is smaller than a foot, I use a ruler, a 1-foot ruler. If I want to measure something bigger than a foot, but smaller than 3 feet, I want to use my what? Yard ruler. Yes, your yardstick. Very good, Sean. If I want to measure something longer than 3 feet, do you remember? Measuring tape. Do you remember what I want to use? Measuring tape. Yes, easy gentlemen. Measuring tape. Why do I want to use a measuring tape instead of a yardstick? Holy moly. Yeah, a single one of our students knows why we use a measuring tape. You have one at home? Yeah. You do? Yeah. Okay. Why do you use a measuring tape if it's longer than 3 feet? Do you want to show me? Help me show the class? Yeah. Come here. Hold this. I want all eyes on Lionel. Did you hear? Why would we use this instead of a yardstick if we're going to measure something? Never use it to do a window. Instead of a yardstick. Where's that? Pull out your My Math books, please. No. What? What's the first thing we're going to do? All right, you know your page 654. I think I found the page 654. 654. Problem solving? No. Yes, you do. It is on page 654. But I do have not put on your feet. Waiting for everybody. Mine has a point. Wonderful. 1, 2, eyes on you. Eyes on you. Is that how it goes? Oh, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me, and then you say, 1, 2, 3, eyes on you. 2, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Is that how it goes? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Wonderful. That was cool. Good. Another attention grabber. No, it's already up there. Come on. A ruler is not. It is 1 foot. Wow, let's read the problem together. On your pages, number 8. Who would like to read for me? For sound. Nice and loud, because we have a loud class today. Four of you. Is that because the rest of you are not paying attention? Darius? Can I get some full body listeners, please? I don't like how all over the place we are. The Sanchez, yes. Can you go to the steps of full body listeners? Where should our hands be? Where should our eyes be? Where should our ears be? Listening. Okay. Wow. Well, mine is only 6 inches. So a ruler, so 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Is that correct? Write that in your books. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. You could write it however it is for you. We all have very different handwriting. So, however it works best for you to see it later. So we know how long a ruler is. long is Sydney's tennis racket? Ruby, 2 feet? How do we know that? Because it's 2 rulers long, that's right. It's 2 rulers long. We know a ruler is 1 foot or 12 inches, so our answer is 2 feet. Pretty easy one, wasn't it? I thought so. Did you guys like that one? All right, one more, 2 more. Gabrielle is 2 inches taller than a yard. How many inches tall is Gabrielle? You can read the next one, okay? Gabrielle is 2 inches taller than a yard. A yard. How many inches is a yard? 3 feet. No showing now, please. How many inches is a yard? Jessica? It's 3 feet. Or how many inches? Angela? Was that your hand up? Do you know how many inches is in 3 feet or 1 yard? Oh, okay. Griselle, 2 inches in 3 feet? I don't know. I think it's more. If 1 foot equals 12 inches, how many inches is 3 feet? Let's do the math. I don't have enough hands up. Okay. Blank equals. Yep. We want to know how much 1 yard is. We know 3 feet equal 3 feet is equal to 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches. Can we do that? Can we do that mental math? Can we do mental math? 12 plus 12? 12 equals 24. 24. 24 plus 12? 36. 36 plus 2 now. So 36 inches. 2. We want to add 2. Good job, Sean. 38. What is our answer? Can you show of hands? Oh, yeah. 38 inches. Guys are jamming. Give yourselves a round of applause. That's great. Oh, that was so weird. Okay. Reese, can you read number 10 for me? That is very limited to read. You're right. Reese, go ahead.
How many yards does
Split.
the snow? It's coming back. I already did. I wish you showed us a picture of the pool.
You wish it showed you a picture? So then you could measure it? I like that strategy. But it doesn't. Unfortunately, we have to use math here. So we know that it's 18 feet wide. Right? We know it's 18 feet wide. How many feet are in a yardstick? 3 feet in a yardstick. Okay, so 3 feet equals 1 yard. Those are my little hyphens. So we have 18 feet. How many times does 3 go into 18? How many times do we have to skip count 3 to go to 18? You guys want to count with me? Are you going to stop where I stop? I know, Lionel, you're an amazing mental math, but we're gonna walk this around. All right, are you guys ready? Yeah. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So how many is that? 6. So if 6 yards equals 18 feet, our answer is 6. All right, there we go. Good job, you guys. Miss Sanchez and I are going to walk through and give you a stamp for your book. And then I'm going to tell you about our outdoor activity today. Yes. I'm going to stamp these real quick. Okay, today's date.
I want you to challenge me.
All right. Very good. Thank you. So we did a fun activity with our feet.
I did it on Thursday.
We are going to get in groups and go outside. Fun. Door. I want you to get a writing utensil or your whiteboard to use as a writing surface. I want you to get your foot ruler and your metric ruler. If you don't have a metric ruler, it's okay, we're working through the rulers we made. These, the feet rulers. We have 2 feet rulers. Yes, both of them. And what we're going to do, we're going to go outside. We're going to spend 5 minutes and doing. I don't think we should take such a not noisy class outside. I don't want to. I'm having a really hard time wanting to take this. Really crazy. So outside right now. I want you guys to make me a promise. If we go outside to do a fun activity, you are all going to behave and listen to your teachers. Can you guys promise me that? Say, I promise. When I go outside, I am going to stay focused. Listen to my teachers. And have fun doing that. All right, thank you guys. I'm going to hand you your sheets. When you get your sheets, you are going to go with the other people sitting at your section of desks. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. You're going to put an item. You're going to measure the item with your foot or your friend's foot, and then you're going to measure that item with your meter ruler. It has the inches on it. Your inches ruler, your feet ruler. What the item is. Do we understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to go into 3 areas for 5 minutes each. You guys are going to measure one thing. Once everybody's done, we're going to move on. If you need help, you are in groups and you can stick with your group. Okay? Yes, Miss Sam?
So maybe like I can go find a rock I find in the area where I am, and then I draw it, I measure it with my foot, I measure it with my little ruler. Is that what I do? So maybe something that's at least this big?
Yeah.
Maybe like the slide?
Ooh, the slide would be fun.
What slide?
Or maybe a bench. Or a step. You really can measure whatever you want. A trash can, that's a little yucky. Don't measure that. That's a little dirty.
The ladder.
David. When you go home. Absolutely. Okay, so we are finished with problem solving. We are now doing how big is a foot activity. Okay?
Okay.
We have 15 minutes, and we have 15 minutes to do that into class. Because we have to come back and talk about it. So, my back row is behaving so well. Could you go ahead and stand up? Make sure that you have everything you need. And both feet. I have your organizer.
Are we going to the blue purple line first, or
We're going to line up on the blue purple line.
Okay.
Yes, you may. Okay, great. You have everything you need? Everything else?
Yep, and she's gonna bring her cell phone outside.
Yes, we can. You got a pencil? Pencil the line? I'm just trying. All right. Trust me, you have your pencil? Show me all. I want to see if you have everything you need before we go outside. That's why we're doing this. Arian, you have your Ario. Come back. Come back. Here you go. There you go. Up row, yes, come on, guys.
I can't find my foot.
You just read it. You're welcome, Jesse.
Larissa.
I'm going to pause you until we get back.